Today we're visiting Expression Warehouse in Sharjah. They have amazing offers going on, up to 90% on perfumes, watches, makeup, luggages, bags, handbags, accessories, and much more. They have a huge varieties of watches, perfumes, and all under different prices. You can find everything that suits your budget at Expression Warehouse, Sharjah. The offer will end at 25th of April and it's amazing. All the brands that you can think of, Cavalli, Boss, Lacoste, all sizes of luggages and backpacks. Believe me, it's worth a visit. Even for the kids, you can find bags, accessories, and much more. And here are some of the guest bags at a very, very reasonable price, and the quality is lovely. I got some of them for myself. Not only this, you can also find home cleaning items, dukhun, and some perfumes even start at 20 dirhams. Look at this lovely bag, it's my favorite. Visit them now.
So high, I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Times don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world, but keep the sky on your mind.